Kalispera κυρίες και κύριοι. Today we have roast pork with potatoes and sweet onions. I have a nice piece of pork neck, which I bought this morning fresh from my butcher store. And now we're going to cut some slots into the meat and place in some garlic and parsley. It's 3 pieces of garlic and around a handful of parsley, chopped up and mixed all together. Grab a good pinch of garlic and parsley and stuff them in each slot you made. The garlic and the parsley is just going to add delicious flavor to every slice of the meat. 3 nice pinches of pepper. And 2 very nice big pinches of salt. As soon as I'm done adding the salt, I'm going to toss the meat into this oval roasting pan which I'm going to use. We're going to need now 3 middle-sized potatoes, which we're going to cut each potato into 4 wedges. If the potatoes are a bit bigger, cut them into 6 wedges. As soon as we're done cutting the potatoes, toss them in the roasting pan around the meat. We want now 2 nice big onions, which each onion we're going to cut in half, and each half cut into 3 wedges. And as soon as we're done cutting the onions, just toss them around on top of the potatoes. Let's pour some olive oil on top of the meat. Squeeze a whole lemon on top of the onions and the potatoes. Toss in 3 garlic cloves, half a cup of water, half a cup of white wine, and some salt on the onions and the potatoes. Now give it a little stir, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and let it cook for 2 hours. It's been 2 hours cooking. Let's take a look at it now. The meat is nice and juicy. The potatoes are just going to melt in your mouth, and the onions are going to give everything an incredible sweet taste. And that juice that you see, we're going to pour it on top of everything. Now, we're going to want to cut each slice around ½ an inch thick, if possible, because the meat is so tender and juicy, it just falls apart. As soon as we're done cutting the meat, it's time to serve. Let's put 3 nice, tender, juicy slices of meat on the plate. Let's add some potatoes now. These potatoes are so soft and full of so much flavor. They've been cooking for 2 hours in all this juice that you see here. Let's put some juice, which is packed full of flavor, on top of the potatoes and meat. Let's not forget the onions, which they're so sweet and delicious. And if you want to add a bit more flavor to this dish, let's add some rigani. Rigani always adds more flavor to any dish you add it to. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη.